Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tawana, and on my channel I share home decorating, cleaning motivation, and organization videos. If that is content that you would love to see, please stay and subscribe and become a part of the TMJ Home and Decor family. So in today's video, I will be tidying up the primary bedroom, the kitchen, and the dining room. So if you are interested in seeing this video, just keep on watching. So I like to layer my bed. I do have a black quilt here. Then I have this brown knitted throw. I'm gonna put it over the black quilt. Now it's giving luxury, cozy, and modern vibes. Yes. So let me know how you like it. So we are moving to the dresser, and today I'm using Miss Myers in the scent Fall Leaves. So next I'll be going in to style the dresser. I'm just styling with this glass jewelry box that I purchased at Ross. Now I store my remote controls in here. We are almost done tidying up the primary bedroom. The last step is vacuuming. I'm going to sprinkle some of this Arm & Hammer Extra Strength carpet freshener on the carpet, and we're going to get our vacuum on. So let's get into it. So yeah, we are outside the primary bedroom. We are in the hallway. It's a small hallway, and I wanted to tidy up this console table and the mirror. So let's get into it. This Chanel. So floral vase that I purchased during Christmas time at I believe Target. Yes, I love this. It's actually cute. 4 pieces that I purchased at TJ Maxx. Hey girl, hey, if you have made it this far in the video, leave me a thumbs up in the comments. We are in the dining room. In the dining room, we're going to wipe down the table, clean the mirror, and dust the chandelier. And of course, vacuum. So yes, let's get into it. We have made it into the kitchen, and I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree Fine. It is a shiny steel non-scratch sponge, the Wyman glass cooktop cleaner and polish, some Brillo pads, of course some Clorox disinfecting wipes, some Pond Sol, fresh lemon, and of course spray away glass cleaner, and my favorite microfiber towel. So let's get into it. We're gonna wipe down the stove, the countertops, the fridge, sweep and mop the floors, and that will be the end of the video. video was all about cleaning motivation. I hope it motivated you to do some cleaning around your home. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.